Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video I have taught about the topic 30, that is natural disasters, and also I sent you the notes. So please fill your books with the help of that notes, and today I am going to teach you topic 31, that is vaccine. So students, can you tell me what is vaccine? Vaccine contains parts of the some germs that make us sick, but they are inactive or weakened, so they cannot cause illness. It teaches our body how to fight against germs. Chemicals are also used in modern vaccines to speed up the process. Vaccines का यूज़ क्यों किया जाता है बेटा? We are using vaccine to keep us fit, to keep us healthy and be active. We can be careful with the we have to be safe with the illness. So due to the use of vaccines, our body is able to fight against the germs. In modern times, some chemicals are also used in modern vaccines to make us speed of the process of our body. So this type of vaccines are used as a time period or age limit. On that time we have to take these vaccines, so which can be help us for the fitness of the body. So let's start some topics. Some vaccines are given here in this topic. We will just go through one by one. The first one is polio vaccine. So we can study the polio vaccines. So next is here polio vaccines. So polio vaccine. Polio is a disease that affects the muscles and make it hard for them to move. The first successful polio vaccine, that is IPV, was developed in the earlier 1950s by an American doctor, Jonas Salk. You know what is polio? Polio is a disease which affect our body muscles and make it hard so that we can't able to move smoothly as normal people are moving. So the first IPV, that is polio vaccine, was successful and developed in the year 1950s by an American doctor, that is Jonas Salk. And again in 1959, Dr. Albert Sabin developed and tested an oral polio vaccine, that is OPV. Okay, OPV. That have you had दो बूंद जिंदगी के, that 2 drops should be given to the children that is the OPV, means oral polio vaccine. So World Polio Day is celebrated every year on 24 October. So from this development of the polio vaccines, we are celebrating the World Polio Day. We have started celebrating World Polio Day on 24 October in the honor and efforts of people who are trying to make the world polio free. ये उन लोगों की याद में, उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग पोलियो फ्री वैक्सीन्स का इशू कर रहे हैं. फॉर दैट, उनके बिहाफ में, उनके ऑनर में, उनके सम्मान में, इन द ऑनर ऑफ दैट पर्सन, दैट पीपल, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग वर्ल्ड पोलियो डे. एंड देन नेक्स्ट वैक्सीन इज smallpox vaccine. Smallpox vaccine. All of you know smallpox vaccine? Smallpox was a deadly disease that killed many people across the world. Smallpox vaccine जो है बहुत ही मीन्स इट्स अ डेडली डिजीज. इस तरह का डिजीज है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में जब इफ एनी पर्सन कॉजिंग फ्रॉम दिस smallpox, that is there maybe people must be killed, maybe people must be go to die due to this smallpox. Okay, so for that there is a doctor Edward Jenner who developed in 1796 a successful vaccine for smallpox. He is often called the pioneers of vaccine. The smallpox vaccine is also called the pioneers of vaccine, which was developed in the year 1796 by Dr. Edward Jenner. So now after the development of this smallpox vaccine, people are now safe by taking these vaccines. Now come to the next vaccine. I think before 4 to 5 years we have suffered from this disease, that is COVID-19. So we will just go through on COVID-19. So see here, next is COVID-19 vaccines. All of you know, all of you are aware of this COVID-19 disease. See here, the coronavirus. COVID-19 is what? The coronavirus caused COVID-19, which makes people sick and spreads quickly from person to person. It was a widespread disease between 2019 and 2022. The first COVID-19 vaccine was developed by the German companies Pfizer Insurance and BioNTech in December 2020. In 2019, this coronavirus, that is COVID-19, has been a flow of whole over the world. Even this type of disease are what making people sick, and it's also spread quickly from one person to another. मीन्स एक आदमी से दूसरे, अगर किसी एक पर्सन को कोविड हो जाता है, देन ही कैन बी ट्रांसफर टू द अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो. सो इट वाज अ वाइड स्प्रेड डिजीज बिटवीन, और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा, बहुत ही तेज़ी से फैलने वाला डिजीज था, जो एक से दूसरे और दूसरे से तीसरे के पर्सन के पास स्प्रेड हो जाता था. और इट कैन बी डिस्कस कैन बी ऑन, ये कब हुआ था? 2019 से लेकर 2020 में, टू ईयर्स में हमने इस कोविड को फिक्स किया था. द फर्स्ट COVID-19 वैक्सीन वाज डेवलप्ड इज बाय द जर्मन कंपनीज Pfizer Insurance and BioNTech in December 2020. In December 2020, the first COVID-19 vaccine should be developed. Then next one is Bharat Biotech in India developed its first COVID-19. After that year, Bharat Biotech in India developed the first COVID-19 vaccines. First COVID-19 vaccines. In January 2021, India has delivered over 22.2 billion doses until 4 March 2023. After the German companies, the Bharat Biotech in India has developed the first COVID-19 vaccine in January 2021, and our country India has also delivered 2.2 billion doses until 4 March 2023. In India, the vaccine is given to people who are above the age of 12 years. The people who are above the means more than 12 years age, they people should be given these vaccines. Okay, so by this we have saved our world, saved our country with the help of these vaccines, this COVID-19. Okay, with the coronavirus. Now next is vaccination in children. So we will go through on the vaccination in children. So next one is vaccination in children. Children are given many vaccines so that their bodies can fight against different deadly diseases. When a newborn baby has come, from that time only the vaccine should be started to the children. Students should be given the many types of vaccines related to the disease to fight against the different types of, to have a capability, to have a speed, to be fight against the different diseases. So at birth and for the first few years, here at birth and for the first few years of life, children are given BCG to fight tuberculosis, hepatitis B and oral polio vaccine, that is OPV. Whenever the newborn baby having, from after few days, we are giving the children vaccine of BCG that help us to fight from the tuberculosis disease, then hepatitis B, which help us to fight against the disease, and then is oral polio vaccine, that is OPV, which help us from the polio disease. Okay, the next point. Influenza vaccines are given to children above 6 months. When a baby have completed his 6 months, then that baby have to take the influenza vaccine. Every year to prevent flu, even adults should take this vaccine. Even this type of vaccine should be taken by the adults also to save us from the flu. Then third point here. Some vaccines like the rabies vaccine are given if a dog, monkey, squirrel, cat or bat bites us. Some vaccines like rabies, कुछ ऐसे vaccines होते हैं that is rabies vaccines. These are given to the children only when if a child has been suffer from the cut of dogs, monkeys, squirrel, cat, bat bites us. If any dog, monkey, squirrel, cat or bat has been bite to the children, then we are using the rabies vaccines to save them, to give the precautions from that type, from the disease, that they could not be captured to the body of the children and they must be fit. So students, by this we have completed our topic 31 vaccine. Just go through on it, and also I will send you the written notes with the help of PDF. Just fill your books. Whenever the school will get reopened, you have to come and submit it for the checking. Okay, then take care. Bye.